Medical careers are one of the few secure fields in the job market these days. They're in high demand, and most of those jobs have strong staying power. So if you're contemplating your future career path or looking to change fields, my guest today wants you to consider dental assisting. Kendra O'Reilly from Assist to Succeed from Columbus joins me once again. Kendra, nice to see you.
Nice to see you, Gail.
We talked about it in general, the health field being a really good field to get into as far as job openings, but specifically, why the dental field?
Well, the dental field, many people are looking for very secure and stable jobs right now, and the dental field is just growing and booming with the technology that it has. So it's estimated that by the year 2020, the dental assisting field is actually going to grow by 33%.
Wow,
so
which is good.
amazing.
It means we're all taking care of our teeth as we should be.
Exactly. Some people now, they're not as fearful of the dentist, so they come in more readily. The technology that's there, it's booming. So for those individuals that get into schooling and get into dental assisting now, they're going to be the ones that, they'll get those jobs then. They're going to be more experienced, and they'll get those jobs when the dentists are really looking and need them most.
And knowing how to use some of that, as you mentioned, updated equipment.
Exactly, exactly.
There are folks out there, though, young people middle age looking to change careers that think about this, but they may think they need a 2 or 4 year degree, and they're not ready to go back to school for that. But at your school, you don't need to do that.
Correct. Dental assisting, you do not have to go to college for. You can, but you don't have to. So there's different levels. There's a basic dental assistant. And that would be what my school would do. And then they can go on, if they choose, and become a certified assistant, and then even go into something called EFTA. So the field is never ending. There's a variety of different directions and ways that a dental assistant can go. They can teach, they can lecture. So there's lots of things, lots of different variety within the field.
And the more schooling you have, obviously, the more opportunities there are for you in the dental field.
Kind of a building block each level.
What would you say are perks to this field, other than job security?
Yeah, well, the perks to this field, just if you are a people person, it's such a great field. The communication you have with the patients, they learn to love you, they learn to trust you. The dentist walks out of the room and they'll look at you and ask, should I do this? So just the friendships you gain. The other perks are, it's very competitive wage. They can make anywhere from $12 to $15 an hour, and even $15 to $20 starting out, depending on the area that they start in. The dentist, there's bonuses offered. There's great insurance benefits and packages. Dentists will take them on trips for continuing education. So it's just endless depending on the office that you're in.
We're looking at some of the photos, and it really does look like everyone's enjoying themselves.
We have a blast. We have a blast. They don't feel like they're in school, and before they know it, it's over. So.
What can you tell me specifically about your school, maybe compared to some others around the Central Ohio area that deal with the same thing?
We are a 10-week program, and we're only on Saturdays. So it is accelerated. There's a lot of book work during the week that they do on their own, but the students will, they come into class, we lecture in the morning, and then we're hands-on in a dental office in the afternoon. So 10 Saturdays, 8 to 5, and we do get them out there to shadow. Like I said, in the class we're working hands-on on one another. They walk out, they're radiology certified, that's included. The Ohio State University comes into the school and does a course for them with that. In our school, it's endless. We're all inclusive, so they get their CPR, anything that they would potentially need when they walk out, they are ready for a job. Resume assistance, interview assistance, we try to do it all.
In fact, you have dentists coming to your school looking for people to hire.
We do. We have, I actually have a couple dentists already waiting for some of the students to get out of the course this time that just started last week. So the word's getting out, and we're making very reputable assistants, and dentists are asking for them.
I love the fact that you have Saturday offerings, because there may be people that want that career change, but they can't quit their job to take what they need to take as far as course study for a new career. So that's very beneficial.
Right, and that's kind of my tagline. You don't have to quit your day job to earn the education for your dream job. So
what's the best way for folks to get a hold of you? Just see when you start your next class, Kendra.
Sure. They can call the number 740-602-1250. They can also go to the website, which is www.assistttosucceedofcolumbus.com.
And you have classes kind of continually starting once one ends and another begins?
Yeah, we try to offer 3 to 4 a year. So once one 10-week course is over, we pretty much start another one right back up.
Kendra, thank you so much. Nice to have you.
Thank you.